Hey guys, I'm going to show you how this thing works. This is the X Mini Uno capsule speaker. First I'm going to undo it here and then turn up the volume a good bit, and then of course turn it on. Here you can see that it's on. Plug it into my phone, and then you guys get to see Woody Woodpecker there. Turn on some M83. Now you may not be able to appreciate the quality of the audio coming out of this thing through the YouTube video, but it's actually pretty decent. Change to a different style of music here shortly, just to give a little bit of flavor, more than just the kind of mellowness of M83. Find Midnight City. A little more upbeat, different tunes. Pretty decent quality audio for a single speaker. Make sure I've got the audio volume up as high as it goes. There we go. Oh, you can even see it bumping there a little bit. Yeah, you can see it moving from the bass. That would be something to keep an eye out for. A slightly different style. It's actually really good quality. It's got a pretty decent little bass kick on it. Pretty cool. The X Mini Uno capsule speaker.